Language adventure with Mr. Jack from Ohio. In an atmosphere brimming with enthusiasm, global Chahaya Nubuwwah Insani boarding school Purwakarta recently welcomed a special guest. Meet Mr. Jack, a native English speaker straight from Ohio, United States. Mr. Jack's presence brought a fresh perspective to our English language learning program. This lively event aimed to ignite the students' passion and boost their confidence in communicating using English. With his unique and interactive teaching style, Mr. Jack encouraged the students to actively participate in various engaging activities. From casual conversations and language games to brief presentations, all students were invited to confidently express themselves and use English in their daily lives.
What do you prefer? Use the Gemini AI or ChatGPT?
What's your motivation of learning English language?
It seems that everybody is still fresh and happy, and that's why
I study bahasa Indonesia, budaya Indonesia, dan dulu.
What is the importance of mastering English? And the subtopic will be what the benefits of mastering English in daily life and career. He will also share about what is the benefit of learning English and how mastering English can help us.
So the question is okay, how to learn in speaking, because there's a lot of that I consider like grammar and how to apply it with fluently.